Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can turn on or turn off the search personalization on Google Search in 2026. Alright, so let us dive into this. Head over to Google Search on Chrome or any other web browser. And then guys, what you want to do is click into settings in the bottom right and choose search settings from this menu. Next, here click into privacy and safety on the left hand side, and under content, click into search personalization. And then enable or disable it. So guys, these personalized searches or search personalization includes, for example, search suggestions that get auto-completed, and stories and suggestions and so on and so forth. But you can also customize the search personalization here below, like for example, access or add customize your search history here, and then go through search history settings, for example, or go through search history itself here. And that's how you turn on or turn off the search personalization on Google Search. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got somebody from it, and we catch you later.